package. I just got a package. I just got a package. Let's see who it's from. It's from Charlena Parker. Yay! This is my mystery yarn challenge for May. MYC 523. Yay! Okay, a girl had to peek. First thing that was on the box is this cute bag, and I'm loving it. I'm gonna put like beach things and throw this bag in my beach bag. And we got a coaster, a cork coaster. It says one more row. Anyone who knits or crochets, I'm pretty sure you can relate. Mentally, I tell myself one more row and then I'll go to bed. But it's not always one more row. It's one more row and then, okay, one more row, one more row. It's more than one more row. It turns out to be many more rows. And I got this Pop Arazi hand, nail, and cuticle cream. Thank you. I got excited when I got this. I got baby scissors with a cap. But I am in love with this. I did not put the cap back on. And I'm like, is it sharp? Could it hurt somebody? Can I use this as protection? Yeah, that's what the New Yorker thinks. And then it's like, ooh, this is so small. It could fit in anywhere. And I could always work on my yarn. And I have scissors. Yay! A green gel pen. I got this cute little snail pin. So it could be like a lapel pin or a hat pin. And the snail's little body is yarn. And it's green. I love this. This is so cute. It's so cute. You know, like, ta-da. But I noticed it came with a bonus. It came with this little metal ring. And it has stitch markers. Like you could never lose your stitch markers. This is a great idea. So I got this cute little pearl stitch marker. I think it's adorable. I got this gorgeous mint green rose stitch marker. This is so beautiful, Charlena. Thank you so much. This is so thoughtful. Thank you. I love all these goodies. I got to go with my gel pen. It's called Get It Done, a notepad. All right. I'll show you the letter before getting to the good stuff, the yarn. We all want to see the yarn, right? So I got two coloring pictures, and I think this is so beautiful, very thoughtful. Let the fields be jubilant and everything in them. Let all the trees of the forest sing for joy. Psalm 96:12. That's so beautiful. Thank you so much. That's very thoughtful. Then all these beautiful succulents. It says, you make known to me the path of life. You will fill me with joy in your presence. Psalm 16:11. That is wonderful. I know his presence is always around. And I have a note. It says, hello, Senia. I hope you like the yarn I sent you. The I Love This Yarn, which is the name of a brand, and the Impeccable Yarn are two yarns I received in the Mystery Yarn Challenge box. I used some of this yarn to make a sweater for the 9/22 MYC. I thought it would be fun to see the same yarn used in another project. Kind of like the secret life of the traveling yarn. This idea is amazing, so I'm going to follow it through. Let's finish this letter real quick. I can't wait to see what you make with it. Happy crafting, Charlena, and her YouTube channel is Creatively Crafty Me. I will put that in the description box below so you can check her out. Okay, so the ones that she is talking about is, this is the Impeccable, which is a beautiful slate blue, and it's called Misty Blue. So I feel it's like a slate blue. I love this. And I love this yarn, super soft, super savings. And the color is cream, but it looks yellow to me. Like, does it look, like, I don't know. For some reason, it's giving me cream on the screen, but I see a soft yellow, a little bit of yellow tone, right? But I see yellow. It's like maybe when you put it together, you can see. Like, it gives me yellow. Those are the two. I will try to use just enough of those two so that there's still left over, because the next month, that person is going to get these two, because I would like to see if it could go further. How many people can use these two before it finishes? So, Charlena, you started it, and I'm going to try to push it through in hopes that the next person will also. So, I'm just going to use enough that it was used in my project, but I'm going to send it to the next person next month so we could try to get this idea going. The Secret Life of the Traveling Yarn. I got this Mary Maxim Starlit. This also is a 4-weight, and it is a blue and lavender blend. So to me, it looks like a violet, like a forget-me-not. And being that it says Starlit and it has all these beautiful flowers, like a field here. So I'm getting forget-me-not out of this one. It's like a lavender blue. So beautiful. And now, this is what got me so excited. I'm a cake girl. Cake. So, I got cakes. And then tweed. I love tweed. So soft and it smells so good. And I love the colors. These are really vibrant. I'm so excited. I got 3. And they look like they have a lot of yardage. So let's see. So this is 5.3 ounces. 426 yards. Machine washable and dryable. Woo woo. And it's a 4-weight. So that's exciting. All these are a 4-weight. Way to go. And the color is called Wishbone. I don't see the wishbone in this. I just see colors and cool. I see craziness, like the way my brain is. So they all are the same colors. They just don't start at the same place, which is cool because that means it'll be a nice blend depending what I want to do with it. This is the brightest one. That is my mystery box. Hashtag NYC523. This is what I received. I am so excited. It seems like with these challenges, I'm playing yarn chicken. Not last time because I made something simple and not so huge. But this time, I'm thinking sweater. I'm thinking cardigan. I'm going to take a picture of all this because I did it last month. Take a picture and I will get started on my project. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Hearts, hugs, and kisses.